Hello everybody and welcome back to another video where today I'm going to showcase one of my most genius ideas I believe I've ever had. Tag. Tag is a game that I'm really passionate about, but you might be wondering, how would tag work? Or at the least, TJ, how would tag work in your eyes? Well, that's what I'm here to show to you today. Here is a game mode I believe should be in the game. Alright, for this game mode, we have these GMOs. We have double jump, faster movement, and shovel knockback. Alright, and so how this game works is essentially, we 1v1 to start to see who goes first, and the last one, who's not a tagger, at the end of the 7 minutes, wins.
4, 3, 2, 1. Get those whippersnappers. First blood.
Oh,
Ooh.
GG.
GG. Oh my god. Now we're not supposed to use weapons on each other, but we can use it to get some kind of height advantage.
Oh, bad.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my god, no.
Juked!
Oh, I
Ooh.
I swung early. Oh my god, I can't believe I haven't hit you yet.
I'm just too good at this game. No!
There you go.
Alright.
Too good at this game.
Okay, maybe I spoke a little bit too soon. I've been on your tail this whole entire time.
Oh, what the hell? What? What the hell was that?
What?
I climbed down a rope or something.
What? How'd you get up there?
you gotta do it right. You gotta parkour. Oh, hi there. Oh, I just tried to.
I found a really good hiding spot. You're never gonna find it.
Oh, I'm never gonna.
No, never ever. This is the new.
Do it.
Back here.
No,
Gotcha.
I tried. I went side to side too much.
I have too much of a good hiding spot for you.
I have too good of a hiding spot. Immediately
What?
gets found.
No!
Juked.
Okay, but okay, I got you this time. You don't even know where I am right now. So
You don't even know where I am.
Nope, I know exactly where you are. No! Stop! Stop! Okay, I got
Oh,
this
so
time.
you got me?
Good
GG.
game, good game, good game.
1. Get those punks off my farm.
And normally how we do it is that the person who wins last time. Stop that! Stop! The person who wins last time. Person who wins last time is tagger. Just to make it more fair.
Oh!
Yep, loser. Can't keep that up forever. No!
Got
What
him.
the heck? Why'd it go down?
I'm trying to do something, bro.
First blood.
No! I was trying to do something.
Ooh, I got a golden hiding spot now. You ain't never gonna find me, ever.
Oh, that's not what I wanted to do.
Come back here. No! What? No! Why did I not hit you?
There's a gnome! I want the gnome!
I'm getting this gnome after I kill you.
Mm.
Yeah, where'd you find the gnome? It's Easter egg. Nice. What are you laughing about? Stop laughing, stop laughing. What are you doing?
I'm sneaky, that's what I know. Yeah!
You were hiding? No, I killed you.
Oh, then alright, I'm coming for you then. I wasn't looking. I was trying to get away this entire time.
What are you doing?
See, that's where the teams are gonna. That's where the teams would begin.
Oh my god, you're blind. You're literally blind. Blinder than a bat.
Yeah, probably. I am very blind. My glasses are messed up.
Hey! What? Where'd you go?
Better get over there. Only a minute left.
Around town,
now
you gotta
I'm gonna-
bring it around town.
No, what? That should
I
hit you.
saw the shadow of your
You should have
thing.
hit it. I should have hit you. Gotcha.
Oh,
Yep, now I win.
dude.
Oh my god! No, 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 no! Watch this. Juke! No! No!
Juke.
No! No, no, no! That's not fair!
I'm
You're
on
cheating,
top
you're
of the
cheating,
red.
You're
I'm on
cheating,
the-
you're cheating, you're cheating.
Victory!
No!
I tried to hit
Alright,
you one
G.
more time.
I'll let you do
GG.
it. GG, GG. I got gnome
5,
spawned right on me.
4, 3,
Oh,
2,
lucky.
1. Get those punks off my farm.
And your tagger.
Gnome
big boy.
secure.
I swear it just said, get those off my lawn. Found him.
You're a liar. Oh! Oh my god! Stop! Oh my god! Get back here! Stop! What are you doing?
What you even?
Yep.
It's like whatchamacallit, Scooby-Doo, like, huh?
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? What an idiot!
Ah!
No, what? No, it's
I
not.
deserve that. I deserve that. I'm coming for you. Dude, that was so cheeky.
Oh my god! Oh my god, you're so blind! Oh! No! Come back here!
Bro.
Oh my god. Oh! I'm too good! I'm too good.
That happened twice and I was like, is he gonna do the same thing 3 times in a row? And he did.
Oh my god, you're so blind. Oh! No! No! Dad, please! Please! Yes, please! Dude. Okay.
Sudden death.
What? Oh, no! What? No! Stop! Please! No, it's unfair! It's not fair! This is not fair!
Should sudden death be a thing? I mean, the scoring would be different, so.
No! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! No, why'd I get my shotgun? Please. Oh my god. Oh my god. No!
Got him.
No!
Victory!
No! GG!
GG.
Ah. Oh my lord. Wow. That was great.
And if you guys did like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell if you want notifications for more videos like this. See you guys later. Bye-bye.